Happy days, friends. Holy Mother of God. It's Sunday evening. The rain is falling lightly over the pond. The koi are still very active. I thought they would have gone down by now because it's getting quite cold at night time. But I just wanted to walk up through the garden here and just show you how beautiful it looks even on a rainy day. Like, oh my God, it's just gorgeous. Just gorgeous. Check out the koi. They're going to come over now when I have no food. Look at them. Hello, big guys. Check that out. Oh my God, look at that. Just beautiful. Oh God, guys, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Oh, look at them. Right, but anyhow, that's the koi. Check out the back. This is the furthest part of the garden. Look at the backdrop. Oh my God, absolutely gorgeous. I want you to check out over here. This waterfall here. Look at the way the moss is growing in that waterfall. Oh my God, it's just gorgeous, right? But let's come over here to my copper bowl. I want to check that out. Absolutely gorgeous. Look at that. Wow. So now I'm up here at the bog. This is where my pond gets all filtered. Look at that. But check this out, folks. You see the lovely copper bowl? Check out that moss. I foamed that moss to the copper bowl, and holy Mother of God, that moss was growing. Jesus, Mary and Joseph, I can't believe it. Absolutely gorgeous. Check it out, folks. Look at the moss. Right next to the water. Look at that. There's just enough splash and moisture hitting that moss on the copper, and I can't believe it's actually growing on the copper. What can I tell you, folks? Joy or joy. But look at the lovely creeping jenny. Wow, it's absolutely gorgeous, right? Look at the elephant ears. Look at that, folks. So again, I'm just here on this wet day. My bubbling urns, right? Check this out. Look at the way the moss is starting to grow over here on this urn. But again, it's just beautiful, right? Look at that. October. Look at that. Oh my God, let's come over here. I want you to see this moss up close. So friends, this is my frog Crazy Legs, right? And it sits here in this little stream. Check this out. That moss, look at that moss there. Look at that moss. All the way around the water's edge. Look at this. Behind the waterfalls. I mean, look at that, folks. Look at that. Holy Mother of God. I mean, loving, living, laughing the pond light on this beautiful rainy Sunday. Look at the koi. Oh my God, look at the koi. Again, rain or shine, this garden is just always giving us joy. And I just wanted to share with you that it's a beautiful day, even though it's raining here in lovely Wilson Borough. Happy days. Sunday morning. Holy Mother of God, I'm here looking at a job that we're hoping and dreaming about doing in the spring. And I'm going to bring in the artisans of the year. And they're coming in from Chicago, if this all falls into place. But I just want you to look at some of the machinery this guy's got with reference to moving boulders and digging and blah, blah, blah. This is a whole new thing to me, but just check out some of these machines. I mean, we could even just drive around just to have fun. Hell, we could even put a pond in the back of this big tractor or whatever the hell it is. But can you believe this? I'm here in this quarry. We're just going around looking at stone and all this stuff that we're possibly going to use for the project that we're going to show you in a few minutes. So we're going to go back to the home place to see the pond he's got and what all we can do to make it better. So again, friends, Sunday morning, I love my job, and you just can't make this joy up. Stay tuned. Happy days. Happy days, friends. We're now back. We were at the quarry. Oh my God, looking at the machinery. I felt like a kid in a sandbox. But I'm now back at the homeowner's home. And as you can see, we have this beautiful pond. But again, the problem with it is lots of small rock. The waterfall is in the wrong place. It's all gone wrong. But what we're going to do here is we're going to rip this whole thing out. We're going to put a big berm on the back right over here where this green grass is. We're going to build that up. We're going to put in a bog with waterfalls falling into the bog. The bog will filter the pond. The pond is going to go out here into the lawn. We're going to put the bridge over this side, and we're just going to change the whole landscape. It's going to be amazing. We're going to make the pond bigger. We're going to bring in some of those beautiful big boulders that you saw, and we're probably going to get rocks that we haven't even seen yet. But just thinking about this, thinking about what the artisans of the year, we're going to bring them in from Chicago to help us create and make this the dream garden that they've always wanted. This family came to my home in Wilsonboro a few weeks ago. They found me on Facebook. Mrs. watches my videos, but they came and saw my garden in person. They were very inspired and motivated. They brought me out here to talk about fixing this pond. As you can see, they've got UV filters, they've got water, they've everything, and nothing is working. We're going to fix that. I'm so excited just thinking about it. Christmas, you know, it might be the best Christmas we ever had. Stay tuned. Boom! Woo!